Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log in to camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, as you know that camscanner is a popular mobile application that turns smartphones and tablets into a portable scanner, guys. So if you wanna use it, you just have to log in first. Here I'm gonna tap on it like this, and if you wanna log in here, you just have to go ahead to this me option at the bottom, and after tap on this account options. Now we can log in with our Google account, or also here you can use our Apple ID with our phone number, and also you can log in with your email address. Here I'm gonna log in with my Google account. I'm gonna tap on this like this, and now tap on this continue. After, in this page, as you can see, I have many Google accounts. For example, I'm gonna use my last Google account to log into this camscanner applications. Just tap on it like this, and now we have to scroll it down at the bottom. We'll find out here the option which is continue options. Tap on it, and after we just have to wait for a second, and when it's done, it will go back to this page again, and it's already logged into the account here guys, which is my Google account right here. I already have my camscanner account. So yeah, I think it's enough guys for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.